create a page on FaceTalk Pro, either click on the Create Page link on your home page or Create Page in the navigation sidebar. Once the page is loaded, we need to first enter our iframe code for the video. This is found in your video library. So I'm going to head over to TalkFusion, log into my back office. I'm going to click on the Video Communications Center home link. Once this page loads, we need to hover over the Video Emails tab, go down to My Video Library. Once this page loads, we need to find the video that we want to add to the new FaceTalk Pro page. For this example, I'm going to use my blog Rockstar project video. So click on the Post Video to Website link underneath the video thumbnail, and a new pop-up will open up. To the right side of the video, you'll see several options. We need to select the website embedding options as Post Video with Template. You'll see code is generated down here below the options. We're going to copy that iframe code. We're going to close this pop-up and head back over to FaceTalkPro.com and paste that code that we just copied right here in this first field. Next thing we need to do is add a page title, a very short description of the video. I suggest keeping this less than 25 characters. You're going to have more space in the description to be able to write more detail. So for this one, I'm just going to call it Blog Rockstar Project. Now the next option is describe your video and why people should watch it. You can add the http:// in front of URLs to make it a clickable link. So here's where you might describe exactly what your video is about, and you can add some links, possibly back to your blog, or maybe a news article, or another website that you may own. For this example, I'm just going to type in, "Welcome to my Facebook page. Please visit my blog at http://cliftonhatfield.com." Now the next option is add TalkFusion e-subscription form. Now in this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to create an e-subscription form, but I'm going to show you where you can find the code for your e-subscription form from TalkFusion to add it to this new page. So we're going to head back over to TalkFusion, and in the navigation bar underneath video responders, go down to e-subscription form library. Now if you've already created some e-subscription forms, then you'll find all of the ones that you've created here in this list. For this one, I'm going to select this e-subscription form. I'm going to copy the code to the left of the form, head back over to FaceTalkPro.com and paste it right here in this field. Next is the custom permalink. For those of you that are familiar with WordPress blogs, you know that you can set your permalinks for your posts and pages. This is the same concept. You can create a custom keyword-filled permalink for this new page. If you choose not to create a custom permalink, it will generate a random series of letters and numbers for you. So for this one, I'm going to call it just blog project. Now notice that you can only use Latin letters and numbers in here, and no spaces. Rather than using spaces, please use a hyphen in between words. Next is video player link. Send viewers to a web address when clicking on the player. For example, your blog. What this does is every time you publish your video on a Facebook wall or within a Facebook message, that video player will actually become clickable, where it will open up a new window opening the website that you've listed here. So for example, once I create this page and I publish it to the Facebook wall, when someone clicks on the actual player as it's playing, it will open up a new window and open my blog inside of that window. So I'm going to go ahead and type the address for my blog, cliftonhatfield.com. Next is the page theme. Now this is an up-and-coming feature that I've been working on. It's not completely finished yet, but I'll go ahead and give you a couple options to choose from. It says the page theme is the web page on which your TalkFusion video template is displayed. It does not change your Facebook page. So as this feature develops, what it's going to be doing is it's going to be offering different color schemes, different graphics that you'll be able to show behind your TalkFusion template rather than just a plain white boring page. Once I've finished creating my different themes, you'll be able to select from a series of different themes to display behind your TalkFusion template. For now, I'm just going to leave this as default. Next option is page comments. Allow visitors to leave comments on your Facebook or FaceTalkPro page and Facebook page. Now you cannot moderate these comments, so there's some ups and there's some downs to this. The ups is you can create some social proof by people leaving comments, getting some feedback. The downside is that you can't moderate those comments. There won't be any way that you'll be able to delete those. Unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about that at this moment, so hopefully Facebook changes that and gives us that ability. For this purpose, I'm going to leave comments on, so yes, I'm going to allow comments. The last thing I'm going to do is just click the Create Page button. Okay, once the page has been created, right here at the very top, it's going to say copy this URL and paste it into Facebook. This is the permalink that I just created, facetalkpro.com/blog-project. That's also listed now here in my FaceTalk Pro pages list. By clicking on this link, it will open up the page that I just created on facetalkpro.com.